Hello, in this video we'll be installing a turn signal, hazard, and horn kit that we received from Benlari in exchange for our honest review. So the kit was pretty easy to install. We had absolutely no issues getting it hooked up to the battery, finding locations to put all the components, and we only ran into one issue that was our mistake, which we'll touch on at the end. And here you can see that we are installing it to the battery, which was, like I said, very simple. And here we're drilling holes into our Honda Pioneer to install the hazard and turn signal light. They do advertise this kit as plug and play, which basically is correct. There's just a lot of, getting things set up the right way. But otherwise, everything is put together and ready for you to install it. You've just got to find the locations of where you want to put it, how you want to put it in, and which we found that to be pretty simple on our Honda Pioneer. Once we had the holes drilled, it did take teamwork to get these pushed into the holes, but they go in very secure and they are not going to pop out. The lights are bright, the horn is loud, and everything was working great. So we purchased this aluminum plate separately. We thought aesthetically it would look much better with the rocker switches installed. And here we have shown you how the instructions come, but we've added the arrow and the writing to show you where not to take apart the rocker switches, which is the mistake that we made. And when we took apart the rocker switches in the wrong location, pieces went flying everywhere, and once we did that, it was over. We could not get anything to work correctly, but it was our mistake. We remedied that by purchasing another kit at our own expense, just so we could get this correct. In no ways does it reflect Benlari's product. So this is the second product we've been able to test from Benlari, and we actually really are happy with this kit. So we highly recommend it. And other than our mistake with the rocker switches, we had no issues whatsoever getting this hooked up. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. And until next time, from Stumbles and Fumbles, take care.